The Animal Rescue League says a snowstorm put the lives of dozens of dogs at risk in eastern Iowa. The ARL took in more than 40 dogs confined to pens in Marengo. It says their only shelter was 2 rundown buildings and a camper. All the dogs are in need of medical care.
They're doing as well as can be expected. I mean, they need a tremendous amount of medical support, a lot of external parasite issues. We became aware they had fleas and a lot of dental issues. One had some respiratory distress that we were worried about.
The dogs are still being evaluated, and the ARL says it could take some time before they're comfortable around people and are able to be adopted.